Hello guys. uh of course, you are onto in digital cash, and like you all know, in digital cash is a platform where I train you on how to make money online, and also teach you how to trade boom and crash successfully, how to trade forex, you know volatility index, boom and crash, and step index, and of course other uh, trading that can earn you money. I've been trading for quite some time now, and I've learned a lot while trading, and I've discovered a lot of indicators and a lot of skill while trading that has been favoring me, and I decide to share my knowledge with you guys so that you guys can also make money as well and enjoy life like me. So in this video, I'll be showing you a backup indicator that I can use to trade boom and crash successfully. Just like in my previous video, I was showing you how to trade boom and crash successfully using the accelerator oscillator. All right, but in this video, I'll be showing you a backup indicator that I can use to trade boom and crash together with the accelerator oscillator. All right, and this backup indicator is called the RSI. Of course, it's called the RSI, relative strength index. Most of you must have heard this name before, RSI, and you must have watched so many videos where they taught you how to use it. Okay, but in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you something different about this indicator, how you can use it to trade successfully together with the accelerator oscillator for you to have a successful trade. Okay, I told you guys I'll be introducing you to lots of indicators that I've been using to trade. You can see so many indicators on my windows right here. All these indicators, of course, they are excellent, and I combine them and use them to trade, and I'm having a successful trade. Okay, so gradually I'll be walking you guys through. So that's why I always say you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post my videos. I don't post videos like daily. All right, I can post my videos at any time. So if you click on the bell icon, if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and you click on the bell icon, of course you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. All right, so in order not to miss out, I advise you guys to quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and click on the bell icon to, of course, get notification whenever I post a new video. Okay, so uh what is the RSI that I'm talking about here? Of course, this RSI, this is of course in this window right here, in this window right here. All right, is where the RSI is. Of course, you can see the RSI. You can see a line that is gold in color. All right, something like this. Yeah, this line here is called. All right, see that line? All right inside the window, the same window with the accelerator oscillator, that is the RSI, relative strength index. Okay, and this indicator works very well together in collaboration or together with the accelerator oscillator. Okay, so how do you set how do you set up this indicator is what I will first show you before I show you how you can use the both of them to trade successfully. All right, so how do you set up this indicator? If you want to set up this indicator, when you look up here, you see the F icon. Of course, this is the F icon here. All right, so that F icon, you click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you here, and you can see I have so many indicators set up here, but here is this is the RSI. All right, relative strength index, that is the RSI. And how do you set this up? Of course, when you uh when you click, you can see together is together with the accelerator oscillator. They are together. So when you set up the accelerator oscillator,
when you set up the accelerator, when you set up your accelerator, if you have set up your accelerator oscillator from the same window that you have set up your accelerator oscillator, let's take for example here. Let's take for example here. All right, you click there, it will, all right, let's say for example you click, all right, it brings you here, and then you scroll down and look for your RSI. Okay, see, of course, here is our RSI. All right, relative strength index, that's what RSI mean. So you see your RSI just there. All right, so what you do next, you click on the RSI, okay, and it will bring you to this place. So once you come here, you see that it's already set. You can see your period 14, apply to close, of course, style. In this style, you come to your you come to your pixel. Your pixel, of course, here is your pixel. All right, and right there you click on it and set your pixel to 4. Then you see here this place is where you select the color. Okay, you select the color. All right, the color is the line, that line, that's RSL line. You click there, it brings out many colors, so you select the color that you want. For me, I'm using gold. Okay, then another thing you do is you come to this place. All right, see here. All right, this place, you have to, all right, so that place, in this place you click on it, it brings you to this place. What you do here is you set your first, you can see a line, you can see 3 lines there. The first one here is 100, the second one is 50, and the third one is 10. Okay, but in some cases when you come, and let's take for example, okay, let's take for example, you come here, let me delete these ones, and start over. Let's say I'm starting all over again. And how do you set this place, this line? I will tell you what this does. How do you set it? Of course, you come and click, you see this plus icon here, that plus icon there, you just click on it. Once you click on it, it has added a description. So you click here and then you set what you want. I'm setting, the first one is 100. All right, so you need to add another one. They have to be 3. These lines are very important. I will tell you what they do. You click on the plus icon again, and then here you come to the second one and set it to 50. You click on the plus icon again, and then you come to the third one and set it to 10. So you have 100, 50, and 10. Then of course you come to your pixel. You know, like I told you, the pixel is the size, how you want the line to be, whether you want it to be big or you want it to be very small. So you set it. I decided to set my own 4 pixel. You click on there, you click there, it shows you. You select 4. Then you click on the color. All right, you click on the color, it brings out plenty color. You choose the color you want, but for me, I choose black. Okay, so that is how you can set up your relative strength index, the RSI. Please don't forget that. Very, very, very important. Okay, let me just take you again and say this is your RSI. Okay, relative strength index. All right, that's it. And how do you get it? You just come and click here. All right, or if you don't have any indicator here at all, if you don't have any indicator here at all, then you come and click here and get it. Okay, but if you already have your oscillator, there is a window here. You just click there and it will bring the accelerator oscillator, so that's the relative strength index can be inside the same window with the accelerator oscillator, just like the way you're seeing here. You can see it. See this, the accelerator oscillator, the lines, the red and green lines are the oscillator. You can see a golden line here. That golden line, you can see that golden line is the RSI. All right, is the RSI. Then that place that I set the 100, 50, and 10. Okay, this is your 100. Let me show that this is it. Your 100, this is your 50, and this is your 10. These are your lines, your pixel lines. Okay, all right, this is showing you it's showing you the resistance and the support level, and of course the down level. Okay, so uh, that is it on how to set up your RSI. Okay, so if you don't have, you need to have these two indicators together. Very important. So if you don't know, if you, in case you don't have your your accelerator oscillator, please watch my videos, watch my previous videos on my channel. You see my previous video, make sure you watch them and learn how to set up your accelerator oscillator and how to trade with your accelerator oscillator. All right, learn everything about it and then you come to this. Okay, so now what is the importance of this RSI? All right, quickly, I'm on boom and crash. I'm on boom and crash. All right, I told you these three lines that you're seeing here. All right, this line, and this line. All right, of course they are related to this number. You can see this one is related to 100, this one is related to 50, and this one is related to 10. Okay, very important to note about that. Then you can see this you can see this RSI line right here. When you can see the movement of it right now. I'm of course I'm using crash 1000. I'm using crash 1000 to do this video for. I'm using crash 1000. I will soon go to crash 500 and boom 500 and boom 1000. Okay, so all right, how do you use this in boom, in crash 500, crash 1000? Of course, when the trend is going up, the candles goes up, the RSI goes up with it. When there is a spike, just like you're seeing here, it comes down. You can see the RSI, you can see there's a spike here. I can see the line just like this. You can see it, see the way it comes down. Yeah, it came down, immediately. The spike came up, it will come down. Okay, so now when the spike comes up, when there's a spike, the RSI will go down just like the way the spike goes down. All right, when it goes down below 50, when it goes down below 50, when it goes down below 50, mostly if the RSI has gone up too much. When it has gone up, you can see from here, you can see the way, the RSI, the trend, the way it's going. It gets, when it gets to this 100, when it gets to 100, that means it has gotten to the resistance level. At that point, you know that a crash is going to definitely happen. So when that spike comes up, when that spike happens, uh if it crashes below, if it crashes below 50, if it crashes below 50, all right, mostly when it has gotten to the resistant level. If it crashes below the 50, all right, below 50, you can come in and pick up a few trade, but don't pick up your trade when these lines, when the accelerator oscillator line is showing red. All right, red like this. You pick it up when it's showing green. All right, when it's showing you green, you pick it up. All right, but at that time it tells you that it will give a successful trade. Okay, then mostly when it goes up again and it crashes, it crashes below 50, when it crashes below 50, it tells you that the market it tells you that the market is now on downtrend, and it will take a turn and start going back up. Okay, when the line goes up above 100, all right, when it goes up above 100 or above 90 or close to the 100, it has crossed the resistance level, or it has reached the resistance level. So at that point, a spike can happen, and once that spike happen, all right, the market takes a turn. When it crashes below 50, all right, the market takes a turn and start going up. It comes down and it start going up again. So don't pick a candle on why the lines are still red, the accelerator line are still red. Okay, when your RSI crashes down below 50, another candle starts raising up, it start going back up, don't pick a trade when your accelerator oscillator is still showing you red. Okay, so you pick up a trade when it turns green, because it tells you that the market is still good. Okay, it tells you that the market is still good. But in some cases, like, let's go back a little while. In some cases, like, let's take example from here. All right, in some case, the market trend of the market has gone too up, has gone so high, has gone beyond the resistance level. All right, you can see here it has gone beyond, very beyond the resistance level, and it crashes. And it didn't crash below 50. Once you see something like this, it tells you that the market is still in the uptrend, and there will be more crashes. That is what you're seeing here. You see more crashes, but even with that, you can still come in and pick up a few trade. All right, whenever you see that the oscillator line turns green, you come in and pick up a few trade, maybe like 2 minute candle or 3 minute candle. Okay, but when another crash happens, when another spike happens, it keeps crashing like that until it goes down to 10, or get close to 10. All right, from there the market changes. If it cross if when the market changes from downtrend and start going back up, when it cross this 50, when it cross 50, the line of 50, once it cross it, you can pick up a few trade. Even when it start going up and your oscillator line turns from red to green, you can pick up few trade. But when you see that this RSI line crosses the number 50, as if it crosses number 50 line and start going up, all right, you can pick up few trade, like maybe three more candle, because it tells you that the trade is going up and it's going to go up for quite some time. But once it still is below this 50, don't pick more than two candles. Once your line turn red from where it start going up, all right, like, let me show you an example. Like, it start going, all right, see, it crashes here and it start going up from there. All right, see, the line turns green from here. You can pick up few candles from there. All right, so when the line gets to here, you can see it then cross 50. Once you pick up few trade from let's say from here, all right, you pick up few trade from there, all right, like two candles from there, you exit the market and wait until it gets to this place. So if if the RSI crosses the 50 line, you can pick up another few candle, maybe like 2 to 3 candle, all right, or even 4 candle, but don't pick more than 2 to 3 candle. Okay, then you exit the market, all right, and wait for another opportunity. But when it doesn't cross that line, don't pick it. When it doesn't cross that line and it crashes, don't pick up another trade. Don't pick up another trade. Okay, when it crashes from there and it crashes a little, just like you're seeing here, it crashes a little, don't pick up another trade. It will keep crashing. When it crashes again, all right, if I were you, I will not pick up another trade. But if you feel like, okay, you still want to pick up trade, when your oscillator turns green, just like you're seeing from here, all right, you can pick up like few trade, like maybe let's say 2 minute candle. All right, if you want to scalp through the market. But I will advise you to wait patiently and let it crash again. All right, it crashes here and it crashes down to close to 10. All right, you can still wait. What I will advise at this point is to wait patiently. Don't trade at this point until you see that after this green, once, even when it turns green, don't trade yet until, like, from here, you see that after this particular green, you see that from this effective green, it start going up above the first green. You can pick trade from there. Then when the RSI goes above the 50 line, like the way you're seeing here, it has crossed the 50. All right, you pick up another few minute candle. Okay, so you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right, 6, almost 7, 8 minute candles. All right, you can pick another trade from there. So that is how the RSI works. Once you see that it has gone up too much and get to the resistant level, which is the 100, all right, and it crashes and crash below 50, and it starts another candle or another trend, another movement. So once your accelerator oscillator turns green, you can pick up few minute candle. All right, please don't forget this. Take note of this very, very well. Okay, I don't want to waste too much time on this tutorial. Let me go to okay let me go to crash 500. All right, in crash 500, just as it is in crash 1000. Okay, just as it is in crash 1000, that's the same way, that's the way it is in crash 500. That's the way it is here. Okay, that's the way it is here. Always trade them using the backup, using your backup indicator, which is the accelerator oscillator, all right, together with the RSI to trade. Okay, very important, very important. You can see what I'm telling you here. You can see the way the trend is going. You can see you have to really, really take note of these things. All right, anytime it crashes below 50, you pick up, you wait for the green line to come, then you pick up a trade. Okay, very important. Anytime it crashes below uh, down to 10, or close to 10, and the trend start going up again, you pick up few trades. Okay, when it crosses line 50, pick up another trade again, because it means that the market is going up, is going to go up for quite some time. Okay, so that is that. Then for boom, how does this work in boom? Okay, how does this work in boom? In boom, it's different. It different. The trend of the RSI goes down, and then it spikes up. Instead of down, it spikes up. Okay, so when it gets the in boom, once it gets to 10, it has crossed the it has gotten to the resistance level. Then when it crashes and crash above 50, once it crash above 50, all right, and of course, in boom, once your accelerator oscillator, when your line is showing you green, means that the trend is up. So don't trade at that point until it turns red. So when your RSI line, that's the way you're seeing here, you can see RSI line, you can see the way it come, all right, all the way here, and then it crashes down below 50, above 50, because in boom, the number 10 is the resistance, all right, and the 50 is support. So once it crashes above the 50, you can come in and pick few trade once after the line has turned from green to red, mind you. All right, after it has turned from green to red, and once it crashes below 50, and it crashes down to close to 100. Once it crashed down close to 100, the market changed and start going back up. So once your line turns from green, your oscillator line turns from green to red, you can pick up few minute candle, and once it goes down below 50, once it crossed 50 and go down below 50, let's say like from it crashes to this place, all right, and it start going up again and get cross 50, you can pick a trade from there. You can pick a trade like few minute candle from there. Okay, so mind you guys, this is very important, and the same way, the same skill is applied to your boom 500 as well. Is applied to your boom 500. So take note of this. All right, in crash, your resistance level is 100, and then when it spikes, the RSI line will go down and start going up again. When it spike below 50, you come in and pick up a trade after your oscillator line has turned from red to green. But in boom, your number 10 Number 10 is the resistance level. So once it's crashed from there, once a spike comes from there and it goes above 50, you can come in and pick up a few candles. Once your accelerator selector line turns from green to red, very important. Okay, and once it crash down to 100, all right, it will change. The market will change back and start coming up again. Let's say once it crashed down below and get to this level, it turns back and start coming up. Then you can pick up a few trades when your accelerator selector line turns from green to red. And once it goes above your, when it goes below your 50, you come in and pick up a few trade. But of course, in crash, the way it works is it crashes down. So once it crashes below your 50, once it crashes below 50, okay, once it crashes below 50, you can come in and pick up few trade once your accelerator selector line has turned from red to green. But once it crashes down to 10 or close to 10, it changes position and start going up again. All right, you pick up a few trade once your accelerator selector line has turned from red to green. But once it goes up above 50, all right, you come in and pick up another few trades because it tells you that the trend is going to go up for quite some time. So guys, that is that. All right, but like I always advise you I will never miss to give this advice at every end of my video. Please and please don't forget to trade. Don't forget to have at least $100 or $200 in your account before you start trading. Okay, don't go and start trading boom and crash with $10 or $20 or $30 or $50. It can favor you, but it's risky. It's better you start with $100. Why? In case you apply these strategies that I've been teaching you and it gets to a point, please watch my previous video and learn more about how the accelerator oscillator indicator work, and learn how to apply it with this RSI. I will be doing more video on this, all right, so that you guys can understand very well. So but if you want a personal training, like you need to learn more, you want me to train you personally, you can, of course, you can check the description box of this video. You will see my WhatsApp number there, you see my WhatsApp group. You can join my WhatsApp group or chat me up on WhatsApp for a personal training or for some custom made indicators I can use to also trade successfully. Okay, and don't forget, I do other online business that pays me money, okay, and they are not scam. All right, so when you check the description box of this video, you will see one of the online business that I'm doing that is paying me. All right, if you want to know more about it, you can chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll tell you more about it. Okay, more about online business that can help you guys to make money. And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notification whenever I post videos, because I'll be walking you guys through. I'll teach you guys more and more and more trading strategy. All right, so that you guys learn how to trade successfully. Okay, all I want is for you guys to be successful. That is just what I want. Okay, so whoever wants to be successful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and keep receiving notification whenever I post videos. Okay, I'm not doing this because I want you to pay me, but I'm doing this because it has been paying me, and I want you to also make money. Okay, and I've tested this for a very long time and it works for me. Another advice, please don't just try this and start applying it to your real account. Please trade on your demo account, trade with your demo account for quite some time and practice it very well to get more understanding about it. If you have any question, chat me up on WhatsApp and ask me the question, or you can join my group, WhatsApp group. Check the description box of this video and join my WhatsApp group. Chat me up and I will answer you. I'll give you the answer that you need. Okay, or comment on my videos and I will reply you definitely. Okay, so guys, I'll be stopping here. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.